crore. He saw over 12 months or 24 months, the sales of Boost shot up by 700%. Okay. When he was asked to do a follow-on ad, okay, he charged 5 crores, okay, and 0.03% of net profit from all future sales for the next 5 years. Okay, he ended up making approximately 57 crores from the follow-on ad, जिसमें दोनों का वॉइस ओवर उसी ने किया है, कपिल देव का भी और सचिन का भी. बूस्ट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ आवर एनर्जी. करेक्ट. इतना बोलने का इन टोटल उस जमाने में he has made 57 crores. Okay, and the sales of Boost after the second follow-on ad came shot up 6,000% in a span of 3 years.
See, we don't realize how much subliminally.
You know, Pepsi is toilet cleaner.
Correct.
Why do you still order at home unconsciously? अरे मंगवा ले, पेप्सी को मंगवा ले. Why do we do this? Correct? Nestle की ads देखिए. Have you seen Nestle's ads? What is the logo of Nestle? A nest with 2 birds and an egg. Okay? Family, together and happy. Okay? And it also says good for life. Is bloody any of the Nestle brand product good for life?
No, I never liked.
What does it say subliminally to you? Good for life. Correct?
They program our mind.
And our job is to unprogram it. ये हो गया पश्चिम. आर जैसे शिव जैसे कैलाश खेर सिंगिंग फ्रॉम हियर, A.R. Rahman sings from here. Okay, Jagjit Singh, all these marvelous singers, huh? Sukhwinder, all the Sufi singers, all the Pakistani Punjabi singers, they are all singing from here.
Our strength has something.
ठीक है? And that influences us. It sticks to our mind. Correct? How many of you still unconsciously? I do. I don't know about you, but I am pretty sure that Raju is similar in the way how he thinks. 3-6 महीने में एक दफा ऐसा गाड़ी चला रहे हो, कुछ म्यूजिक नहीं लगाया है, तो अचानक दिमाग में धुन चालू होती, कहो ना कहो, वो मर्डर वाला, बराबर? It came from an Arabic song. Correct? That man is one of the topmost. Rai, which is basically Arabic, French and एक और language Hebrew, ये तीनों का combination है, which is called Rai. उसका topmost singer है. The way how he has sung it, the tune that he has created, will definitely stick to your mind. Correct? Then comes para. अब ये आवाज कहां से निकालो? In terms of healing. Okay. So now I'll introduce you to one of my astral gurus. पुणे में हुआ करते थे, डॉक्टर राम भोसले. Okay. He was the creator of this entire process called Samvahana, movement of balanced sound vibrations which create Sama Agni throughout the body. He was a healer to even Indira Gandhi. He was a healer to most of the topmost ministers, names across the world. He would lay down the person and he would simply start using his own voice. He would use instruments like a sitar. He did also use a singing bowl, which I have seen. Okay. And like a guitar, he would retune all your nadis back to balance. Okay, just with the sound. This technique I learned from him, where the intonation comes actually from the Muladhara. So this is what he would do, and he will lift the anus, the sphincter. And from there he will start. Try doing it, and you see what kind of energy surges in your entire body.
So we have to do like Ashwini Mudra.
Yeah. Do you know how it moves its anus muscle while excreting? Okay. It basically उसका muscle expand contract ऐसा करता है. It passes out, let's say, stool, but it sucks in air from there. Okay. And so it basically वो muscle को वो अंदर खींचता है. That is the real Muladhara. Correct? Muladhara is basically placed exactly between the anus and your sexual organ. Exactly center point पे है. In Chinese medicine we call it Renban. When you inhale, do not do it on inhalation. You inhale first. Now very gently lift the anus muscle and your sexual organ. So it's called Vajroli and Amroli. Okay. You lift it up, hold it, and immediately start. And while you are exhaling is when you are slowly releasing the muscle again. थोड़ा complicated है समझना.
And
Too
the
much.
release has to be very
Because you know,
very
एक-
slow
you cannot
and
hold it
twice
for
the
too
time
much.
of-
You cannot hold it for too much. You start exhaling also. You start releasing, and the has to travel in जो पूरा टावर ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन दिखाया ना मैंने, जिसको आपको सॉर्ट करना है. This is the most powerful resonance which comes like a huge tsunami wave. अभी मैंने एक किया, सही किया, ठीक है, आप लोगों को समझाने के चक्कर में इंस्टेंटली लेफ्ट साइड हेड स्पिन 1 सेकंड हो जाएगा. ट्राई डूइंग इट ओनली वंस बट वेरी प्रॉपरली. नहीं समझ में आया, सॉरी, अगला वर्कशॉप में बात करेंगे फिर से, ठीक है. ट्राई. Inhale, hello, inhale, pull it up, and exhale. Correct? जिसको समझ में आया कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, नहीं समझ में आया सॉरी. इससे ज्यादा ये कर नहीं सकते.
This also causes a
Yes, obviously.
it removes all the
It
blockages.
removes all the blockages.
They use this for abundance.
Abundance. मूलाधार है, मूलाधार का एनर्जी है. इट इज मैक्सिमम यिन.
घोड़े का ही strength देखो.
घोड़े का ही स्ट्रेंथ देख लो. अश्विनी मुद्रा क्यों बोलते हैं? घोड़े का ही स्ट्रेंथ देख लो. यू डू दिस एक ही बार, नॉट नेसेसरली एवरी डे करो. क्या? अरे नहीं भाई, हफ्ते में एक बार कर लेगा ना गलती से तो भी बहुत हो जाता है. टुडे इफ यू पर्सनली आस्क मी हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू आई डू इट, आई एंड अप डूइंग इट नेचुरली probably once in 20 to 40 days. Once. And still you know कि now your body is running again 18 hours a day like a horse. This is very 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 powerful. Okay.
Nothing else. I mean, it's only him or her, and nothing else exists. You have told that one has to forget it again. But is that really possible? How can you forget? It's like we learn to ride a bicycle and we never forget.
Exactly. This was my question yesterday.
So you can never forget. And absolutely you can never forget. And that is why if you know me because you are one of the very close friends. I keep finding my entertainment all the time. रोज कुछ ना कुछ नया दिख रहा हूँ. The only reason why I run a clinic is, you know what, रोज नया प्रकार का पेशेंट आता है, रोज नया एंटरटेनमेंट. ओके. If you ask me कि why don't you still run that coffee business, I'm like, boss, it is mundane, वो सेम का सेम है, वो मशीन काम करता है, मेरे को कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है, एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है, ठीक है. So I have to keep finding my entertainment. Yesterday also I explained, I have to keep finding my wonderment. Aha, oh, new. Every person is a puzzle to be solved, and I'm a fantastic puzzle solver. That is the only entertainment. Correct? New. That is why I found my natural destiny. I'm like, वो वहां तक पहुंच गया. Natural destiny क्या बोलता है? क्या कर सकता है? वरना तो हर चीज में बोर हो जाएगा. सक्सेस, अचीवमेंट, कोई भी चीज हाथ में लूंगा वो मिल जाएगा, बट एंटरटेनमेंट इज बाप बराबर है. सो यू हैव टू कीप फाइंडिंग इट, यू हैव टू कीप फाइंडिंग इट. अच्छा, इज इट रियली डिफिकल्ट? Not at all. Actually, it is super fun and it is very easy to, with your what we call as veiling of the Maya. वो वेल भी हमने ही लगाया था, हमने ही निकाला था, तो हम फिर से थोड़ा सा टाइम के लिए लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है? Where I can suddenly go, but I don't know. Correct? Have you seen? We've attended silly classes on different subjects, right? जबकि तेरे को और मेरे को दोनों को मालूम साला अपने को सब आता है, फिर भी ये गधे को आके अपन सुनने वाले हैं और 20,000 उसको चुकाया जिसको अपन सामने से ये मुफ्त में सिखा सकते थे. करेक्ट? हैव वी नॉट डन दिस? वी हैव.
मतलब जानबूझ के खुद को मूर्ख करना,
क्योंकि अज्ञानता ही सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान है और ज्ञान सबसे बड़ी अज्ञानता है. करेक्ट?
But you know, how can we really do that with a person in day-to-day life in reality? Let's say if we have grudges with somebody. Now, we being practicing spirituality, we can forget. I can see a new person in somebody like with no judgments. That person cannot do that.
That is their problem.
But we still have that conflict.
And
How
if
do-
you're forgotten, how do you handle it?
So how do we forget that? We don't forget.
Don't forget, it's very easy, just let it go.
पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. करेक्ट? She does not want to leave me. She is attracted to me. Okay? But if I leave her, she will cry for 3 months. Okay? But this tension is released, in which case slowly it will be released from the other automatically. You release it from your side. तुमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना, उसमें जो भरा हुआ टेंशन है वो फर्स्ट द बॉन्ड, द पैथोजेनिक कनेक्शन हैज टू बी ब्रोकन फर्स्ट. द मोमेंट दैट इज ब्रोकन, ठीक है, वो रो धो के अपना कर लेगा, नहीं करेगा वो उसकी समस्या है. यू आर फ्री. यू आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्रीचर इन दिस क्रिएशन. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. करेक्ट? Be selfish. Be very, very, very selfish. Okay? Don't have all these beautiful ideas कि I will help the world and I will transform. कुछ नहीं. खुद का बदल ले बहुत हो गया.
ये हमारा कंडीशनिंग
खुद का बदल जाएगा तो सब बदल जाएगा अपने आप.
What did I explain yesterday with the spiritual breath? My lens, my perception changes from inside, and it is a two-way communication. When it changes inside, my world is perfect. People come and tell me, अरे दुनिया में किधर उधर सुनामी आ गया, उधर ये हो गया, उधर ये, आज सुबह को उठा डबल जैब लिया था, हार्ट अटैक से मर गया, खाली 40 साल का. सॉरी, मैंने नहीं लिया इसके लिए, सर्टिफिकेट है. गेटिंग दिस? तुम तुम्हारा छोड़ दो, अगले को जो करना है वो पहुंचेगा अपने हिसाब से. दैट डिजायर to try and talk spirituality to a mode is your failing. ठीक है? It is like this. How old are you?
47.
47. How old is your son Gunnar?
16.
How old is your son Kavan?
12.
Can I expect the same maturity from Kavan which I expect from you? No, right? You have lived your experiences. There is a physical age and then there is a maturation age which is the mental age. Okay. X axis and Y axis. This is your physicality and this is your mental maturation. Most people in their entire lifetimes are stuck here. Okay? एक बार इसको क्रॉस ओवर करो. Most people, मैं भी चेक करता हूँ. I told you कि 13 और 16 के एज ग्रुप में मैच्योरेशन वहीं पे अटक चुका है. देर वो तभी तक जितना मिला, जितना समझा, उसके ऊपर जितनी दुकान बन सकी, उसके बलबूते पे ही जिंदगी खींच लेते हैं. You cross this over. Correct? Someone had asked me in one of the previous workshop में, because he understood this concept. I don't know how many of you know Nitin Srivastav within the group. तू पहचानता है, तू भी पहचानता है. One of my senior most students, fantastic, Oshoite for 25 years. The first time I went to Nagpur, he came, he saw, he met, he asked me one question, he found his answer. He's like, भैया, ओशो का हर मेडिटेशन, हर किताब, हर ऑडियो कैसेट रट्टा है, हर ध्यान होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, समझ में सब आ रहा है, एक लफड़ा हो गया. हमने क्या बोलता है, जब तक वो ओशो सीढ़ी बजता नहीं है तब तक ध्यान हो नहीं पाता. नाउ आई एम स्टिल dependent and I am stuck in the guru's ego. The moment he said that and I helped him release out of it, वो छूट गया, लेकिन आगे निकल गया फर्स्ट क्लास. करेक्ट? He understood this concept, so he asked कि from what state, और ये ओशो ने पूरा डिफाइन किया था, x axis, y axis, mental maturation axis. So when I said something in the workshop and he immediately identified me, sir Patum, as per that scale, your maturation axis is almost at over 1800 to 2000 years of so-called physical this thing. I'm like, yeah, more or less probably. Then, when I was creating this entire, the Nadika structure and all of this was I think ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन, क्योंकि तभी फुर्सत होता था, साला 2-2 घंटा पब्लिक फोन पे बात करता था. तो me and Nitin, because he is also a practicing psychologist, so we did this test. He sent me a small questionnaire and we did this test all over again and it had reached 5,000 plus. Okay, do you really think कि इतना जो 2-3 दिन में बकवास ज्ञान फैल रहा हूँ वो एक झटके में कोई किताब पढ़ने से आने वाला? No. It is just the inner maturation axis. Getting this? Okay. Next.